Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I am going to show you how to add indie skin on your YouTube video. First of all, open your browser, then go to YouTube. Okay guys, after open your YouTube, then click on your profile icon. After that, go to your channel. Look at this is my YouTube channel and I have already uploaded two videos. I open on videos and I showing you there have no indie skin in this video. I will show you on the last, on the end position. Look at this, there have no indie skin in here, but I add indie skin now and I will show you how to add this kind of indie skin. So let's get started. First of all, open your YouTube studio. Okay guys, after open your YouTube studio, then go to content. Okay guys, then click on this pen button for editing. Just click it. Okay guys, now scroll down and you get indie skin option. Look at this, there have indie skin. Just click it. Click over this indie skin. Okay guys, now it's open. Then there have lot of format. What kind of indie skin you want to use your video, that's your choice. You can choose anything from here, but I choose this on I choose. And look at this, and this kind of showing on the last position, that means indie skin. And you can click here and set a video which one you want to show on the indie skin. There have a option choose a video, then it's opening now and you can choose your video from here, any on. Then this kind of showing on the last position. Now you can set time for your indie skin. Here on the down you can set your time properly. I make it 3 minutes, then save it. That's your work is completely finished. I will show you on my video. Wait here. I go to my channel, then open again my video and I will show you on the last position. On the last position, look at this, now showing my indie skin on my video. So in this way you can add your indie skin on your video. So hope guys this video can help you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are helpful. So guys, thank you everyone for watching my video. Tata, bye bye, thank you.